Shane here, DH Coach. Here we're gonna walk you through the belt squat and how to set up. The belt squat is loaded from the top, so you take the plates and able to load on the pegs here. But another cool thing about this machine, it also allows you to load bands. You have a peg here, a peg on the other side of this plate that you can't see, another peg here as well on the other side, and you just take your bands, load them up, then you got your band loaded belt squat. So the belt squat's a lot different than a regular squat. You use this belt here, wrap it around your back, and what you want to do is have it right above your pelvis. You don't want to have it too low, and you don't want to have it too high, so you want to find that sweet spot right there in the middle. Pull tight, take your hook, clamp it on, get your feet right where the hook is, stand up, then you pull this lever down. This releases the belt squat and allows you to squat down. Then when you're done, rack it up, come down, loosen up the hook, and that's how you use the belt squat.